Hey there! In this short tutorial, I'm going to create a new condition. So there's all sorts of conditions you can create. I've created a bunch for the demo already, but I'm going to create a new one called healing. I'm going to right click, click create, game modules, create, and condition. I'm going to call this one healing. As you can see up here, the condition is called healing and the type is periodic because the parent folder is called periodic. And under the main settings, I'm going to say that it does not stack. You can see these tooltips here give you some more information on what this all does. And the condition time is going to last for, say, 5 in-game minutes. And then if the player has body magic, the caster has body magic, that is, we're going to say there's going to be another 1 minute per skill point in body magic. And actually, let's bring that down, another 0.25. Now, on the effects on points, we're going to set this to be periodic because I want this to repeat every little bit. So of course it's red right now because it can't repeat 0 minutes. And so we're going to have it repeat every half a minute, so 0.5 in-game minutes. Oh, not that. 0.5, not 0.5. And the stat affected is going to be hit points. And we're going to add just 1 hit point every, actually let's make it 0.33, a third of a hit point every half a second. You know, these are values that in your game will be whatever they are going to be. And body magic, we will add another 0.1 per point in body magic. And then on the stats, there's not going to be any updates to the stats. If you wanted to have an effect on stats while this condition is active, you could add that here, but we're not going to do that here. And then of course dictionaries, I don't have any custom dictionaries at this point, at least not for the demo scene. So let's go ahead and set that up in the demo itself. For the demo, I'm just bringing the condition right into here. So let's go ahead and press play and see what happens when we click these buttons. Take 5 damage here is an instant action. If you look at the hit points down here, you can see that as we take 5 damage, damage goes down. We also have others like disease, which lasts for 6 minutes, and the damage is being taken here over time. This is also a periodic one. You could also clamp this to be around this number if you'd like. All right, and as it expires, it goes away, and you see some of these stats changed as well. So let's click healing, and we see that over time now the healing is happening for the next 5 in-game minutes, and you can see the in-game minutes change down here. This is using the game time module. You can see that the hit points are going up, and this will stop as soon as the healing condition self-expires. And these happen all automatically as long as you're passing the correct data into it, and check out the details in the docs, and calling the tick method, which is like update. Then this will all be handled automatically, including the effects on the stats, all the updates, and the removal of the condition at the end. So now you can even have healing and poison at the same time. Poison of course hurts, healing helps, and so we'll see this go up and down as the two effects take their actions and do things to the actor. So that's how you set up a new condition. And using it is entirely up to you. How you use conditions, what you do with them is entirely up to you. There's a whole lot of options, especially when you come into the dictionaries, and you can add any number of dictionaries, and these dictionaries can hold any number of things. So let's say, for instance, you want an audio clip here, then you could have multiple audio clips that perhaps trigger via your code every time that the periodic effect takes hold, or every time it's cast, or every time something happens. So this is a really great way to easily expand the functionality of the system without having to do any custom coding really beyond just the implementation, the usage of the data. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come on over to infinitypbr.com to click on the scripting docs, as well as joining the Discord and ask questions and talk to me and give me something to do at night besides work on more assets. All right, thanks. Have a great day.